Do you want to save money on your taxes? Imagine a world where every April doesn't bring a sense of dread, but rather a feeling of accomplishment. It might seem like a far-off dream, but with the right knowledge, it's within your reach. We're here to help demystify the process, to help you understand the tax-saving strategies available to everyone, especially taxpayers. So, if you're tired of feeling overwhelmed every tax season, well, you're in the right place, and it's easier than you might think. Did you know you could reduce your taxable income through deductions? Now that's a question worth pondering over, so let's dive into it. Tax deductions are essentially expenses that you can subtract from your gross income, thus reducing the amount of income that's subject to taxes. Think of it as a discount on your tax bill, a way to keep more of your hard-earned money. There's a wide variety of deductions available. For instance, if you've been working from home, you might be eligible to deduct home office expenses. This could include a portion of your rent or mortgage, utilities, and even internet costs. Another common example is health insurance premiums. If you're self-employed and pay for your own health insurance, you can usually deduct the cost of your premiums. These are just a few examples, and the list goes on. Remember, every deduction can bring you a step closer to saving on your taxes. But there's more. Have you heard of tax credits? These are not just buzzwords in the tax world, but real opportunities to save your hard-earned money. Unlike tax deductions, which only reduce your taxable income, tax credits are a direct reduction of the tax you owe. Think of it as a gift card from the government, subtracted from your total tax bill. Now, there are various categories of tax credits that you may be eligible for. For instance, the child tax credit, for those of you with children, can significantly offset the cost of raising a family. Or, the education credit, for those in school or paying for a child's education, can help alleviate some of those hefty tuition bills. There are numerous other tax credits available, each with its own set of eligibility criteria. So it's worth doing a bit of research to find out which ones you can claim. With tax credits, you're not just reducing your taxable income, you're reducing your tax itself. Okay, so you've got deductions and credits down. What about investing to save on taxes? Let's talk about tax-saving investments. These are financial instruments that not only help you grow your wealth, but also reduce your tax liability. It's like killing two birds with one stone, right? First up, retirement funds. Whether it's a traditional individual retirement account or a 401k, these funds allow you to defer taxes on the money you contribute until you retire. That means you get to enjoy tax-free growth on your investments for decades. It's like planting a seed that grows into a big, beautiful tax-free tree over time. Next, there's health savings accounts. If you have a high-deductible health plan, you can contribute to an HSA. The contributions are tax-deductible, and withdrawals for eligible medical expenses are tax-free. It's a win-win situation. Then there are education savings accounts. These allow you to save for future education expenses while enjoying tax-free growth and withdrawals, provided the funds are used for eligible education costs. And let's not forget about the bond market. Certain bonds, like municipal bonds, are often exempt from federal taxes and sometimes state and local taxes as well. Investing wisely is not just about growing your wealth, it's also about smart tax planning. Remember, every dollar you save on taxes is another dollar you can invest for your future. So, why not make your money work as hard as you do? So what have we learned today about saving on taxes? Well, we've unpacked quite a bit. We've discovered the importance of using deductions to reduce our taxable income. We've realized that it's not just about earning more, but about keeping more of what we earn. We've learned that deductions are our friends, not our enemies. We've also explored the world of tax credits. We've learned that these are not just mere numbers, but powerful tools that can significantly lower the amount of tax we owe. And finally, we've dived into the realm of tax-saving instruments. We've realized that these are not just for the rich and the savvy, but for anyone who wants to save for the long term. We've learned that investing in these instruments can provide us with a double benefit: saving on taxes and growing our wealth. Remember, understanding taxes isn't just about paying them, it's about knowing how to save on them too. So start your tax-saving journey now.